continue our lesson. 11B, national movement, the last phase. Okay, the last phase. Another lesson we have 11A. Okay, that lesson we have finished, and the last phase in which years? 1919 to 1947. Okay, see, yesterday we have discussed about Rot Act and Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Okay, and we read about I read about communalism and communal organization, right? See about caste and about religious. Okay, so religious people, whatever they'll accept, the government should not be enter into their affairs. Okay, even these Muslim religions will not enter into the government actions, right? And next, yeah, I read about this because you have to know a correct pronunciation of words also. Yes or no? So that's it. See here, the next topic, Khilafat agitation. What is that? Khilafat. Okay? Khilafat agitation. Understood? And non-cooperation movement. Non-cooperation movement. See, we are going to know about these topics, two topics. Okay. See here, Khilafat movement. See, the Khilafat issue was one such cause. Okay. This is Khilafat issue is one type of a cause. In the year of 1920, in which year? In the year of 1920, British imposed a harsh treaty on the Turkish Sultan. Okay, in the year of 1920, the British imposed a harsh treatment on whom? On Turkish Sultan. Who imposed? Britishers. Okay, or Khalifa. Okay, treat on the Turkish Sultan or Khalifa. His name is, another name is Khalifa. Okay, people were furious about these. There had been about Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Also, Indian Muslims were keen that Khalifa be allowed to retain control over the Muslims. See, at that time, all the people, okay, all the people, all Muslim people, okay, were keen in that. In what? Khalifa to be allowed to retain control over the Muslims. They want to be back into their control over by Khalifa only. Understood? Retain control over the Muslim scarred places in the erstwhile Ottoman Empire. The leaders of Caliphate agitation, Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali, now wished to initiate a full-fledged non-cooperation movement. Okay, in this Caliphate agitation, another leaders were there, Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali. Gandhiji supported their call. Okay, Gandhiji supported their call and argued the Congress to campaign against Punjab wrongs. Okay, he supported this Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali did not. So for that Gandhiji supported, and he argued with the Congress. At that time IMC was there, no? Congress. In what way? Campaign against the Punjab wrongs, the Caliphate wrong, and demand Swaraj. See, he told about think about the Punjab wrongs, whatever Jallianwala Bagh and even Caliphates. Okay, think about that. Take it under a serious issue. Okay, these type of words Gandhiji told to the whom? Congress. Congress is also at that time started, right? Okay. In the Caliphate wrong and demanded Swaraj. Okay. In the Nagpur session of the Congress in 1920, Gandhiji was acknowledged as a leader of the Congress. In 1920, Gandhiji became a leader of the Congress. Understood? Okay, here. In this session, the objective of the Congress was changed to the achievement of Swarajya. and by all legitimate and peaceful means. Non-cooperation was accepted as a mean to get Swarajya. Okay, the non-cooperation movement gained momentum throughout 1921 to 22. 1921 to 22. Okay, see here, thousands of students left the government. See, in the year of 1921 to the 22, what had happened, you know, thousands of students left the government controlled schools and colleges, and many lawyers such as Motilal Nehru, C.R. Das, C. Rajagopalachari and Asaf Ali gave up their practice, means stopped there. Okay, lawyers and who are those all? Motilal Nehru, C.R. Das, Rajagopalachari, Asaf Ali. Okay, they all are stopped their work. Okay, and British titles were surrendered and legislatures were boycotted. Okay, people lit public bonfires of foreign clad. People made it foreign clad whatever the imported now, so that all they kept into the roads and they started the burning of that. Okay, bonfire of the clad. The import of foreign clad fell drastically between 1922 to 1922. Okay, so when the people are stop using of the foreign clad, then the bonfire now on the roads. Okay, so then onwards importing of the foreign clad were decreased. Okay, to this Gandhiji added a campaign for the people to spin their own cotton on chakra, these cloth known as khadi. Okay, these spread the desire in every house to make the country self-reliant. See, then onwards when the bonfire started of foreign cloths, right? See, at that time Gandhiji gave a message to the people: you have to go for earning of your own cloth by using chakra. Okay, that cloth name is what? Khadi. Khadi. Okay. Khadi. These spread desire in every house to make their self-reliant. And if you see in the picture, Gandhi is making a cloth by using the chakra. Yes or no? See, this is denoting what, you know? It is denoting Swarajya symbolic. See, in the late phase of Indian national movement, Gandhiji adopted chakra as a symbol of Swadeshi. As I told you, right? Chakra is a chakra, and when Gandhiji is earning chakra, right? It is what they used, symbol of Swadeshi. Okay. They used as symbol of Swadeshi. But all this was merely the tip of the iceberg. Large part of the country were on the brink of formidable revolt. For example, let us see what was happening in the Andhra region. At that time, what had happened in the Andhra region, we'll get into know. See, in the Andhra region, where? In the Gunturu. Okay, at which place? Gunturu. Okay, Gunturu district. At the place of Gunturu district in the Andhra Pradesh was at the center of nationalist activity, and the participation was widespread, including not only students. Okay, at that time movement have arisen heavily, right? Participation was widespread, including not only students but also merchants, peasants in the village. Okay, in that movement in the Gunturu, not only by the students, even merchants, even the farmers, these are all participated. A highlight of the non-cooperation movement was the famous Chirala Perala movement. Okay. Next, another non-cooperation movement is what, you know? Chirala Perala movement. Okay. Another movement is what? Chirala Perala movement. This is place name. Don't go for commenting, or else don't go for laughing about this. Okay. Place name Chirala Perala movement. See, that is also one of the non-cooperation movement. Okay. The government decided to convert these town into a municipality and forced high taxes. Why this movement have started, you know? At that time, the British government started imposing more taxes. Why? They want to make that place as big town. Okay? So they imposed high taxes. About 15,000 people of the town, led by Dukkirala Gopala Krishnaya, refused to pay the tax and migrated to a new settlement called Ramnagar and remained there. Okay, remained there for 11 months. At that time, what had happened? You know, see, Gunduru and Chirala Peravam movement. At that time, see, the Britishers want to make us that big as a town city. So that's why they started imposing of high taxes. Okay, so the people are refusing to pay that high tax. And by leading of Gopala Krishnaya, by leading of Duggirala Gopala Krishnaya, 15,000 of people, how many people? 15,000 of people migrated these places. Okay, 15,000 of people left this place, will not pay the tax like that. They gave the word and they left the place. They went to the another place, Ramnagar. Till 11 months they were stayed there in the Ramnagar. Okay. There was a powerful movement. Okay. Powerful movement of non-payment land revenue by the peasants and the mass resignation of village officers. People said that word, you know what? Gandhiji Swaraj is coming and we will not pay the tax to this government. At that time, they have taken the inspiration of Gandhiji and by the help of Duggirala Krishnaya, 15,000 people left a place, left these places and went to the another place. Okay, temporarily they have started their settled down in the Ramnagar. Nearly 11 months they have fought with that. We will not pay the tax, we will live here, we will not pay there. Like that they have started. Okay, and 11 months they have waived that all conditions. And at that time people said one slogans or else words to the Britishers. What, you know? Gandhiji Swaraj will come. Okay, Gandhiji Swaraj is coming and we will not pay the tax to this government. People have got inspiration that much. Okay, even in some places Gandhiji is not involved also. That people whatever they achieved that movement, that is also they have given inspiration to the Gandhiji only, given name and credit to the Gandhiji only. That type of one case also is here. Okay. Another major development was forest satyagraha in Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Another one moment is here. What is a forest satyagraha? What is another moment? Forest satyagraha. Okay. In AP. Another movement is one of forest satyagraha. It were in Andhra Pradesh. See what is a Palnati Taluka. Okay, Palnati Taluka of Guntur district. And in one place in Palnati Taluka in Guntur district and another place Rayachoti Taluka of Kadapa district. Okay, peasants began sending herds to the cattle into forest department. In many villages of Palnadu, people declared Gandhi Raj and attacked police parties. People were convinced that colonial rule was coming to an end. Forest would be back in the control of village people. Okay, in the two talukas, forest administration had to virtually close down during the agitation period. Okay, forest satyagraha is nothing but in the AP in the two talukas. Okay, in the two talukas. What are those two talukas? Palnati Taluka and Rayachoti Taluka. So at that time, one movement arose. What is that? You know, Britishers were attacked even on the forest areas also. Whatever the wealth is come from the forest, right? See, that is also have taken by the Britishers people. Okay. So at that time, these people who are living very near to the forest, they have started opposing to the forest department of the Britishers. Okay, and they said the word also, Gandhiji Swaraj is came, so there is no rights to you to be here. Okay, they have started. Then onwards, the British Foreign Department did not enter into their forest areas. Okay, and next I'll continue.